Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh Fantasio. Right, this afternoon I'm going to explain or we promote this noodle we call about awesome noodle. You know what? A couple months ago I have been to promote noodle fish in London City at the time. The five countries, United States, United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, and then Europe. Every country worldwide, you got a lot of people visiting here. Today, I want to promote this. We call that oyster noodle here. This is very tall noodle chef. There's only 20,000. You can't eat it. This is very a lot. I couldn't believe that myself. And only in here, but also every places, every corner here in Aceh. We call a lot of restaurants got noodle. All the demand and kids is very tall, awesome, and only for mid noodle, not only for red noodle, but also noodle very famous nowadays in my country or my city Mandani nowadays. I myself, Sabi Wardani, as a guy who want to promote this culinary very tall album, this through Facebook, very tall, awesome, to visit there. We got a lot of visitors, got Mandani, is very tall, awesome. Want to try this? This very delicious. Never tasted it yourself before. This fruit. This very tall delicious in my life. I couldn't imagine this. I couldn't this time to promote this awesome noodle for five countries. It's very tall all of my life. You know what? So, if you want to test this, don't forget. This place is Kuliner. Not far away from Mandani, you can find time or 10 minutes from the city bridge in Mandani. We call what Kuliner, this village or Kaju is very famous nowadays. I myself, as this guy, is very awesome noodle in my life. Alright, that's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel for focus for about a lot of tourists together out there. Since pandemic coronavirus 2020 this year, no one here is get Indonesia or Aceh exactly because hit by coronavirus. So after the coronavirus over, I would like to invite a lot of tourists together Aceh to eat this noodle very cold awesome. Alright, my spirit up. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video.